Energy equals mass times the speed of light squared. Some people can say this, but what does it mean? Hello, I'm Professor Bread, and today I'm going to be teaching you about E equals mc squared. E equals mc squared was written by world-famous German physicist Albert Einstein. He wrote this as part of his theory of relativity, and is the most famous scientific equation ever. It's probably so popular for creating nuclear fission, which is used to make nuclear energy and nuclear bombs. But what does this equation do? Well, this equation shows the correlation between energy and mass, and how if you have mass, you have energy. It sounds pretty simple, but it gets more confusing inside a star, so today I'm only going to focus on the basics. Before we use this equation, I want to explain what each variable means. E represents energy, which is measured in joules or kilojoules. M represents mass, which is measured in kilograms or grams. 1 pound is equivalent to 0.45 kilograms. And C, which represents the speed of light, which is 299,792,458 meters per second, or 983,571,056 feet per second. So now I will show you the amount of energy in a human to demonstrate how the equation works. The average human weighs roughly 180 pounds, so in kilograms that is 0.45 times 180. This equals 81 kilograms. So now that we have the weight, we can put it into the equation. The equation will now look like this. E equals 81 times 299,792,458 squared. Now let's do the math. Firstly, we have to square the speed of light, which is roughly 90 quadrillion. Now let's multiply it by 81. This will get us to about 7 quintillion joules. No one can picture a quintillion of anything, so this number probably has no context. But I'll compare it to the amount of energy humans use in a second. In 2015, we used 350 terawatts of energy per second, which is 3.5 quadrillion joules per second. This shows that a human mass has roughly 280 times more energy than all of Earth's energy produced in a single second. And that's a whole planet's energy production. This shows how much energy is actually in a human. So next time you say you're tired, just remember how much energy you actually have. This video shows only a fraction of what this equation can do, but it's fascinating how much energy is actually in a human's mass. Anyway, that's it for this video. I will see you life forms next time. Goodbye.